My name is Georgie, I'm the Director of Urban Foodies. Urban Foodies has been a vision to create a culinary hub which includes catering, a cooking school and also our venue in North Melbourne. Due to the extent of our product offering from cafes through to catering and cooking schools, it's really important that we have access to a great team that have a diverse range of skills. Our team is our most valuable asset.
A big part of my role is coordinating teams of staff. This can be as simple as front of house staff, bar staff, chefs, kitchen hand and even promo staff. One of the big challenges I face doing my job is having enough staff, especially when it's our peak season. When I first started using Sidekicker, I was really impressed about how easy it was to post a request. From writing my own job description to posting it out to hundreds of qualified workers and then having that position filled in a couple of hours. My favourite thing about Sidekicker is being able to hand select staff for each event. Every event we have is so different, so to have the ability to select the staff to the brief is fantastic. Once a Sidekick applies to our job, I get to go in and handpick chosen staff for our event. I get to see their profile, their past reviews and their current rating. One of Sidekicker's great features is their talent pool. If we're out on a job and we find staff that we absolutely love, to have the ability to easily find them, repost the shift just to them is fantastic.
Being able to select staff and utilise them for the short time that we need them and not have to bring them onto our payroll is hugely beneficial. We also love the fact that we can self-select our own staff. We're not relying on an agency to select for us. We really understand our own needs and it puts the power back with us.